Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make twice baked potato with Parmesan crusted mushrooms. These are my ingredients and they will be listed in the description box below along with step-by-step instructions. Now to my potatoes, I'll be drizzling that with some oil. Make sure to coat the entire potato. Take a piece of maybe a Bounty, you wet that and you wrap the potatoes inside and you place it in the microwave for about 12 minutes. You check that and you keep turning it on each side every 6 to 7 minutes. After that, we'll cut the potatoes, the top off of the potatoes. It's very hot, guys, so be very careful. Like so. And we'll scoop the potatoes out. Be very careful not to burst the little bowl that we're about to make with the skin of the potatoes. And that is our little bowl that we will stuff our potatoes. So that is all the potato that we would have scooped. Now we go ahead and add our sauteed onions. I also have some chives and onion cream cheese, my sour cream, bacon, some chives, and we mix that well. Now I add my sharp cheddar cheese and some pepper flakes, and I add some heavy cream and continue to mix until everything is well combined. So what I normally do is sprinkle some cheese at the bottom of the potato skin before I go ahead and stuff the potatoes. Make sure to get a decent amount in there. Looks amazing, guys. Now we'll go ahead and add our cheese on top, place in a dish and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese has melted. Looks amazing. And there you have it, guys, my beautiful, delicious baked potatoes with Parmesan crusted mushrooms. A must try. Thank you for watching.